Hey traders, what is up? This is Aaron Della. Welcome back to the channel. If you're starting your forex trading journey or you're somewhere in the middle, there's this question that always comes up. Should I stay on demo or is it time to go live? It's 2025 and the trading game is evolving fast. AI bots, prop firms, and tighter spreads are changing the game. So in this video, we are breaking down the truth about demo and live trading and what's actually best for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and leave a comment, and let's dive right into this video. Before we get started, we really want to know what exactly is demo trading. Demo trading is not a playground, it's a simulator. You want to think of it like a flight school for pilots where they get to actually experience what it is like in a real plane. You can never get a real plane until you've landed safely. So I'm going to be giving you guys 3 major points for what demo trading is actually good for in 2025. The first is for learning platforms. Platforms like MT4, CTrader, MT5, the EXNESS terminal, they are good places for you to get started, to get acquainted with the market using a demo or a simulated account. The second is a test out strategy. Someone like me has a lot of experience on the market, and from time to time, I change and tweak a couple of things in my strategy. This allows me to be able to test my strategy without having so much pressure on me. This allows me to be able to take trades knowing very well that I do not have to risk my hard-earned money. The third is basically for practicing good risk management. Sometimes you have a $10,000 account and you have a target of saying that you want to be able to grow this amount of money in this particular time. Well, having a paper or a simulated trading account can allow you to be able to practice using a demo account, and this is going to save you loads of time and money as well. But there's something very interesting. It doesn't teach you emotions. In demo trading, losing $10,000 is just numbers. It is not real. You don't feel it. But in real life, it can mess you up, mess your day, and mess up your emotions for a pretty long time. Now, this is where it gets interesting. The dangers of staying on a demo account for too long. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is staying on demo for months, some even years. Why? Because it's safe. You avoid losses. But here's the thing. Safe doesn't make you successful. It just makes you stagnant. Staying too long in a demo account makes you build false confidence. You start to think you've mastered trading and you're so good at this craft. But the moment you go live, your psychology rumbles. Am I talking to a few people right here? If I am, then leave a comment in the comment section below. So before you decide to ask yourself, how long can I stay in demo? I'm just going to give you guys a few tips. Number 1, you need to be using a demo account for a purpose, which I stated earlier. So is it for good risk management? Is it for testing out a new strategy? Or is it just for learning purposes? You first of all need to set a timeline between 30 to 60 days of practice. You also want to be sticking to your trading plan. You want to be able to maintain a risk discipline, and you need to show consistency over 20 to 30 trades. So then someone will ask, when is the right time to actually go live? I'm also going to be giving you guys 4 simple checklists, and if you meet the criteria, then you know that you are ready to go live. Number 1, you've had at least 1 to 2 months of consistent demo performance. Now, I don't just mean funding $1 million in your demo account and entering millions of lot size. No, you need that consistent result with good risk management over a period of 1 to 2 months. You also need to be able to understand risk management. You being able to risk between 0.5 to 2% of your trades per trade. Number 3, you're trading a proven strategy. You want to be able to make sure that this strategy that you have tested over a period of 1 to 2 months has stuck with you whilst you follow risk management criteria. And number 4, you've understood that losses are part of the game. As I said earlier, when you are taking losses on a demo account, it doesn't bother you until you decide to go on a live account, because now your emotions, your hard-earned money are on the market, and so when you take a loss, you get to feel it. Once you make up your mind that losses are part of the game and you understand the risks even before entering the market, this allows you to be able to control your emotions and help you to stay disciplined. But you don't want to be going live with a big amount of money yet. You want to start off with $100, $200, or even a max of $500 depending on your ability. Or better yet, you want to test yourself with a prop challenge. But personally, I would advise that you won't fund in your personal account. The first step of this goal is not to get rich, but to build emotional resilience. That is the power of the game. You'd hear a lot of people say trading is what, 80% psychology, 20% trading, right? We need to understand that 80% of this game has to do with what, building that emotional resilience. So I'm also going to be giving you guys some differences between demo and live accounts. Let's break it down. So with a demo account, you basically have no fear. There's zero fear, but with a live account, you are going to be subject to greed. The second has to do with entries, or what a lot of people will say execution. Well, execution can get slightly better when it comes to a demo account because you do not have to go through a lot of issues. But on a live account, you're going to be facing real issues like slippage and real-time spread. The fourth is psychology. When it comes to psychology, it's unrealistic because you're trading a demo account and you basically have nothing to worry about. However, if it is a live account, your mental discipline is going to be tested. And the fifth is growth. With a demo account, you're only going to be learning, but on a live account, you're actually going to be having real progress, meaning you're able to track what you've done in a couple of months and see real results that have to be verified. Now, here's something worth knowing. You are not a trader until you can handle emotions, losses, and real-time market movements under pressure. Demo is the gym, but live trading is the real fight. In 2025, the best traders don't just stick to one mode, they blend. Here's a strategy that you can copy. Number one, having a demo account and practicing for at least 30 to 60 days. This is going to allow you to learn, test, and master what particular strategy that you have on the market. Number two, getting yourself a small account between $100 to $1,000, depending on your ability, so that you can be able to feel the emotions and be able to master them. Number three, you could decide to get yourself some prop firm challenges. This will help you to be able to scale capital and also stay disciplined because of the tight rules that prop firms have these days. The fourth is which a lot of traders use today, having a live account and also a funded account. This allows you to be able to scale up quickly so you can eventually live that life that you want to be able to live. You want to be using demo accounts to test your ideas, you want to be using live accounts to sharpen your execution, and you want to be using prop firms to multiply your income. If you've been on the demo for way too long, probably over a period of 6 months, then you need to understand that it is not the issue of the market, but it is an issue of fear. The market has nothing to do about this. You need to work on your psychology so you can be able to overcome that emotional discipline and get yourself ready on the market. And fear is just like a mirage. It only fades when you decide to react. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Aram Della. Peace out.